Good morning, Fatima. I wanted to show you your assignments this week since they're a little different than what I've done in the past. I put up assignments for you that you can do all week and not have to turn in till Friday. So you have a math assignment and you have a reading assignment. So when you do these, you're going to click on this Add Response button. And the first part will be a little video to show you, introduce you to what we're learning, which is counting to 100. And then there's this little button here to go to the next page. See these two links? Anytime you see two links, that's something to click on. So I'm going to click there. That'll take me to my next page, and this has all different links to practice. So you click on the link. Complete the activity on the page. There's directions down here, and then this will take you back to the start and you can do the next one. Sometimes there's more than one page, so you'll go to the next page and then you'll go back to the start. When you get all the way down here and you've done all those things, it's going to say submit your work, and to submit your work you're going to press this green check mark up here. If you want to stop, because you can work on this all week, so if today you want to do number 1 and then you want to be done, you click on this draft and that'll save it for you so you can go back to it later. So that is your math assignment. I'm not going to save anything because I don't want to mess up your work. And then you have a reading one, which is laid out the same way. Again, this can be for the entire week and be turned in on Friday. So you're going to click on Add Response. It has the same type of choice board. Anywhere you see these two links are somewhere to click. Some of these will take you to another page in the PowerPoint or in the Seesaw activity. Some of them will take you directly to an outside link. Okay, and again, you go through till you get to this last one. Do the activities on here, and then it tells you to submit your work. So I hope that this makes it a little bit more flexible for you to work on throughout the week. I hope that I tried to put a lot of videos for you to watch and music, since I know you love music. I hope you have a great week, and if you have any questions with your assignments, please let me know.